In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a portfolio site, or a business web page, including links is essential to guide your visitors to important information, both within your site and across the web. Let's get started by visiting the Hostinger homepage. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website, from domains and hosting settings to email accounts and, of course, thus, the website builder itself. Next, locate the section labeled Websites and select Edit Website. This action will open the Hostinger Website Builder, which is your primary tool for customizing your site's appearance and functionality. The builder is user-friendly with point-and-click options and drag-and-drop elements, making it accessible even if you're a beginner without coding experience. Now, within the website builder, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a tab that says Pages. Click on this tab to access the list of your site's pages. Each page is a canvas where you can add various elements, including text, images, buttons, and, of course, links. Once you're in the Pages section, identify which specific page you would like to edit by simply clicking on it. This will bring up your page, allowing you to see the content as well as where potential links could be inserted. Look for the section or text where you think adding a link would be beneficial. Now for the fun part, adding the link. Click on Add Link, typically found in the page editing options. This will prompt a small dialog or side panel where you will input the URL you wish to link to. Make sure to have the complete URL starting with HTTP or HTTPS ready to avoid any issues. If you're linking to an external site, always double-check the URL to ensure it is accurate and leads to the desired destination. After entering the URL, confirm any additional options like Link Target, which allows you to decide whether the link opens in a new tab or the same window. For a seamless user experience, it's often recommended to have external links open in a new tab to keep visitors on your site longer. Lastly, be sure to save your changes. You don't want to lose any of the valuable edits you've made. Click on the Save or Publish button, typically located at the corner of the page editor. This ensures that your website updates and the newly added link becomes live for all visitors to see and use. And there you have it. Adding a link on your Hostinger website is a straightforward process that enhances navigation and connectivity across the internet, adding depth to your site. Feel free to refresh the page or preview it in a browser to ensure everything looks just right. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helped you master adding links in Hostinger Website Builder.